Students, today we'll solve one more question on capitalization method. Capitalization method will be starting today. We'll solve few questions there. Capitalization of average profit as well as capitalization of super profit. We'll solve questions on both the methods. So first of all, check question number 39 here. From the following particulars, calculate the value of goodwill of a firm by applying capitalization of average profit method. So this question is of capitalization of average profit method. Number 1, profit of the last 5 consecutive years ending 31st March are 2019 54,000, 2018 42,000, 2017 39,000, 2016 67,000 and 2015 59,000. Capitalization rate is 20%. And number 3, net assets of the firm are 2 lakh. Net assets means total asset minus outside liabilities. This is the capital employed directly given to us in the form of net assets, 2 lakh. Rate of return is 20%. The profits of last 5 years are given. We can find out the average profit from there. So in this way we'll start the question. I'm talking of question number 39. So let us find out. We can first of all find out the average profit. Average profit will be 54,000 plus 42,000 plus 39,000 plus 67,000 plus 59,000 divided by 5. The addition of all the profits will give us rupees 2,61,000 divided by 5 will be rupees 52,200. So this will be our average profit. Now capitalized value CV is average profit into 100 by rate of return, that is 52,200 the average profit into 100 divided by 20 is the rate of return. So when we calculate this, you will get rupees 2,61,000 as capitalized value. Now capital employed is total asset minus outside liabilities, that is equals to net assets, that is already given to us in the question. So we can check, it will be rupees 2 lakh. From here we can check it. Now value of goodwill will be capitalized value minus capital employed. In the capitalization of average profit method, the value of goodwill is find out as capitalized value minus capital employed, that is rupees 2,61,000 minus rupees 2 lakh the capital employed, so it will be 61,000. So value of goodwill is 61,000 by capitalization of average profit method. In this way this question is complete. Now we'll see one more question here. You can check question number 40. A business has earned average profit of rupees 4 lakh during the last few years and the normal rate of return in similar business is 10%. So what is written here is, in a business has earned average profit of rupees 4 lakh during the last few years. So average profit is given 4 lakh and the normal rate of return is also given 10%. So we need to find out the value of goodwill by number 1, capitalization of super profit method, and number 2, super profit method if the goodwill is valued at 3 years purchase of super profit. So we need to find out the value of goodwill here by both capitalization of super profit as well as super profit method. The assets of the business were rupees 40 lakh. So the total assets of the business were rupees 40 lakh and its external liabilities were rupees 7,20,000. So total assets and external liabilities are also given. This will help us in finding the capital employed. Now average profit is rupees 4 lakh, that you can see here. Rate of return was given as 10%. Capital employed is always total asset minus outside liabilities. So total assets was rupees 40 lakh and outside liabilities, external liabilities were rupees 7,20,000. So if you subtract this, you will get capital employed as 32,80,000. Now normal profit is always capital employed into rate of return. Capital employed is what we have found just now, 32,80,000, and the rate of return was given in the question as 10%. So normal profit will be capital employed into rate of return, 32,80,000 into 10%, that will be rupees 3,28,000. So rupees 3,28,000 will be the normal profit. Now you all know super profit is always average profit minus normal profit. So average profit was given in the question as 4 lakh and 3,28,000 is the normal profit that we have calculated. If you subtract this, you will get 72,000 as super profit. So super profit will be 72,000. Now value of goodwill in number 1, that is capitalization of super profit. In capitalization of super profit method, value of goodwill is given as super profit into 100 by rate of return. Super profit is 72,000 into 100 by rate of return is 10. So you will get rupees 7,20,000 by calculation of this. So value of goodwill what we got here is 7,20,000 by capitalization of super profit. The second part of the question was of finding out value of goodwill by super profit method, where number of years purchase were 3. So value of goodwill by super profit method will be super profit into number of years purchase, that is rupees 72,000 into number of years purchase was 3. 72,000 into 3 will be rupees 2,16,000. This will be the value of goodwill by super profit method. In this way we have completed our sum. Now this was the end of the chapter of goodwill. I'll provide you a few questions to solve that you will solve and send it to me personally on WhatsApp as soon as possible. Before we complete this chapter, I want to tell you one thing. A single question may ask you to find goodwill by 4 or 5 different methods. In that case, always remember the answer that you will get will not be same, may or may not be same by all the methods. It's not the case that a single question cannot have different answers with different methods of goodwill. A single question, the same question, may give you different values of goodwill by different methods. So please don't get confused, as different methods of valuation of goodwill will provide you different values of goodwill for the same question also. So please don't get confused with that. As in the same question, you can see here in this question, by capitalization of super profit we got 7,20,000, but by super profit method we got rupees 2,16,000. So the same question may have different answers with different methods of valuation of goodwill. So there's nothing to worry about this, and I'll provide you the questions that you will solve and send it to me. With this, we have completed our chapter of goodwill. Very soon we are going to start a new chapter, and we also have a live session for that. Till then, thank you very much and bye.